today we're gonna install a horn into this scooter. This is a 999 Honda Elite 50cc 2-stroke, and it only got one horn, and it's very low. You won't even hear it. You can hear it probably from a short distance. So we're gonna install this one. This one only got one horn, and this is gonna be a 2-horn, multi-horn. Alright, let's start. So to begin, we're gonna find the live or the positive wire coming from the battery without having the ignition on. So here's the key. So we're gonna use a light bulb, or some other people would prefer to use this one, multimeter tester, but for demonstration purposes I think it's easier to use this one, so it's visual. So first we're gonna put a ground anywhere else, and here's the ignition. If you would notice, this is the ignition source, the ignition key. So it goes here. Normally it should be the red one, so we'll test it. Here is the red one, the red wire. So the red wire should give us a light, if I'm correct. There you go. So it means this is live. And then the horn. So this is the switch from the horn. So you notice it only got one, because the other one is the negative, it's the ground. So here we go. Okay. So I'm gonna explain how 2 horns, a battery, and the relay with the existing motorcycle switch should be wired when installing a horn with the relay. So first we're gonna start with the horns. We're gonna connect them in a parallel connection. So negative with the negative goes to the body ground of the motorcycle. So it's a Honda, so it has a body ground. Simply connect it to the body ground, like so. This one, the battery, is already connected to the body ground, so therefore they have a connection. This one, this is the switch. The switch is connected to the ignition, or the key, and then this one is the existing connection to the horn. Now we're gonna connect the existing one to the number 87 on the relay. The 30, we're gonna connect this one to the body ground as well, so the negative and the motorcycle. And this one, since it's parallel, positive, gonna combine 2 positives and connect it to number 85. And then the 86 is, we're gonna connect it directly to the positive of the battery. So now there we go, we have our connections. Even though this is connected to a positive side, it's not gonna make a sound yet because of the relay. The purpose of the relay is for the horn to have a direct connection to the battery, so it would get more power or juice from the battery. So as soon as you turn on the ignition and then hit the switch, this circuit is going to close, because this one is going to go down, so it's a closed circuit. As soon as it closes the circuit, 87 is going to trigger a magnetic strip inside the relay, which magnetized to this. So when it magnetized, you would hear a click. You hear that click in conjunction to the switch to this one is gonna go live as well. So positive from the battery is now gonna be connected with this one. So the horn is gonna make a sound. It's simple. So it's basic on and off switch. So instead of using one of these relay connectors, we're gonna make our own harness for the relay to make a better demonstration. So positives. So the positive, and then gonna grab the relay. So this is the switch from the horn. And then we'll get the negatives. So the negative side to the other negative side. Then we're gonna make a ground. Ground. We're gonna clean this up later. Ground. And then this one goes to the relay. Or I can just take this off. We're gonna solder this later. Let's wait for a click. There we go, we have a click. Ignition off, no click. Means it's working. Perfect. And then positive. We're gonna get this one, so this is gonna be the source. Then now let's try it. No ignition. There we go. It works. Now we're gonna clean it up.
This next song is called Hui Up Top. Ha!
So now all we got to do is fit this one into the scooter, which is actually the hardest part. And you cover your ears. Now let's try it if it works.